1. Hook. Imagine spending months on a cloud migration project, only to find your application crashes on day 1. What went wrong? 2. The real problem: cloud migration is complex, but without a solid foundation, these migrations can flop. The stakes are high. You risk losing customers, wasting budgets, and damaging your reputation. Let's break down this challenge and how to navigate it effectively. 3. The simple explanation at its core: a cloud migration means moving your applications and data from on-premises servers to the cloud. It sounds simple, right? But it involves careful planning, execution, and monitoring. You need to assess your current setup, choose the right cloud provider, and ensure your team is prepared for the transition. If you overlook these basics, you're setting yourself up for failure. 4. Real-world example. Let's look at a real-world example, a startup named Widget Tech. They decided to migrate their e-commerce platform to the cloud to handle increased traffic. Their goal was to scale quickly, especially during holiday sales. They budgeted $50,000 for the migration, believing it would enhance performance and reliability. They opted for a popular cloud provider and hastily moved their application without proper testing. On launch day, the site crashed under a surge of 1,000 concurrent users. Their previous infrastructure managed 300 users easily, but the new setup failed to scale. The result? They lost $20,000 in sales that day alone. Their reputation took a hit, and they spent months fixing the issues. What went wrong? They skipped crucial steps in the migration process. 5. What to do instead? Here's how to ensure your migration is successful. Step 1. Assess your current environment, inventory all applications and data, identify dependencies between systems. Evaluate current performance metrics. Step 2. Define clear objectives, determine what you want to achieve. Is it cost reduction, scalability, or performance improvement? Set measurable goals, like reducing downtime to under 1%. Step 3. Choose the right cloud provider, research providers and their offerings. Consider pricing, support, and features. Make sure they meet your performance needs. For instance, if your app needs low latency, prioritize providers with data centers close to your user base. Step 4. Create a detailed migration plan: lift and shift, refactoring, or rebuilding. Break the migration into phases. For example, migrate non-critical applications first. Step 5. Test. Before going live, conduct load testing. Simulate traffic that exceeds your peak usage. Monitor system performance during tests and adjust as needed. Step 6. Execute and monitor. Go live with your migration. Keep an eye on performance metrics, response times, and error rates. Use monitoring tools to track everything in real time. 6. Common mistakes. Let's look at 5 common mistakes and how to avoid them. Mistake 1. Skipping the assessment phase. Fix. Conduct a thorough analysis of your current setup. Know what you have and what needs to be migrated. Mistake 2. Lack of clear objectives. Fix. Set specific goals for your migration. This will guide your decisions and measure success. Mistake 3. Choosing the wrong provider. Fix. Research multiple options. Don't just pick the most popular one, find what fits your needs best. Mistake 4. Insufficient testing. Fix. Implement rigorous testing protocols. Don't go live without verifying performance under load. Mistake 5. Ignoring team training. Fix. Invest in training for your team. Ensure they understand the new environment and tools. 7. Quick checklist. Here's a quick checklist to keep your migration on track. Assess current applications and dependencies. Define your migration goals. Choose a provider that aligns with your needs. Develop a phased migration plan. Conduct load testing before launch. Monitor post-migration performance closely. 8. Summary plus CTA. Cloud migration can be a bumpy ride, but with the right preparation and knowledge, you can avoid common pitfalls. Remember to assess your current setup, define clear objectives, choose the right provider, and rigorously test your applications. If you found this video helpful, like, comment below with your thoughts or questions, and subscribe for more insights on cloud engineering. Your next migration can be a success story. Bonus practical tip: if you're unsure what to pick, Start with the simplest option that ships today. Then measure for 7 days, latency, errors, deploy time, and cost. Only upgrade when metrics force the decision, not fear.